Let's talk about the hardware of the H-Series machine. So generally, the machine's built stiff and rigid like a CNC mill. The bed moves in X and Y, and the tool heads move in Z. Let's just go through a little bit of nomenclature here. So, as I said, this is the bed, then there's the X and Y axis assembly here. And those are attached to a base casting. Then there's an upright casting that supports the Z axis of the machine, and then there's an arm casting that supports the turret with all the tool heads on it. Then we've got our electrical cabinet up on top here and our filament cabinet here. Looking at the machine from the back, you can see we've got the power entry into the bottom of the base casting, and then we have another enclosure here. This houses our spindle drivers and our compressed air valves. You can see you've got a compressed air quick disconnect fitting here. Looking at the machine from the left-hand side, you can see we have the guide tubes running from the filament cabinet down through the back side of the turret to the tool heads, and then we have our main wire harness going from our controller to all our tool heads through the back side of the turret as well. From the right-hand side, you can see that we have easy access to all of our tools on the turret for maintenance, and we have our spindle wire harnesses coming off the turret and going back to our spindle driver enclosure. We also have our compressed air lines coming in from this side as well. From this side, we also have access to the electrical cabinet. You shouldn't have to get in there for anything but upgrades and maintenance. You also have your connectors for your rotary axes on this side of the electrical enclosure. Your e-stop is here on the front face of the machine, easily accessible. If anything goes wrong, hit that button and the machine will freeze. If you selected the tablet option, you can interact with the machine through here. That's helpful for simple functions like loading and unloading filament, preheating extruders, that sort of thing. But we found that most of our interaction with the machine is through our PC, so having that mounted right at the machine is indispensable. Just navigating through the menus and using all of the complex functionality that's available through the controller is just way better done on a PC.